Hi, this is Kevin Hutto here. I'm going to walk you through setting up your Aweber autoresponder. The first step, obviously, is to go to the Aweber website, which is www.aweber.com. Then the first thing you can do when you get here, before you even sign up, is go to the support tab, scroll down to video tutorials, then click this right here under how to get started. It's about a 30-minute video that'll explain everything in pretty good detail to you. Then obviously you can click here and order, which is basically just setting up your membership to Aweber. It's a very cheap service. It's about 20 bucks a month if you want to pay monthly, or even less if you pay it yearly. I obviously don't need to sign up, but I will go ahead and sign in to show you guys what to do once you get here. First thing you want to do once you get here is go to the leads. Go to the list settings tab in here, and then what you have is the name of your list. This is something that you create. Nobody sees it but you. It just lets you know that when you get this email that you're getting that someone has just subscribed to your newsletter. The short list description, you put this on there because if someone does decide to unsubscribe to your list, you want to have it on there so that they'll know what they're unsubscribing to, because people get so many emails these days. Sometimes they get confused and don't know what they're unsubscribing to. Once you do that, you click save, which works good. Then you come down, company branding, wealth funnel secret. That's just, it goes on several of the things that they send out. Logo URL, don't worry about that. Website URL, that one is important. You want to put http:// your domain name here, and then /overview.asp, because once they're in, they've already subscribed to your newsletter, so you don't want to keep sending them back to your squeeze page because people get irritated at that. So your actual sales page is overview.asp, so you want to put it in like that. Then obviously hit save there. Then main step as well is make sure that your email address, correct email address, is down here, and then this name that you type in here, whatever you type, is what they see when they get the emails. So if you want it to be the name of your email address of your website, you can do that. Or if you just want your name, or I did it here with these little attention getters so that when people get the email, they'll kind of look. So then you hit save there and you're good to go. Next thing you do is you scroll down here to this menu and you'll see web form. You click on that, and then what you do is you come here and you hit the create web form button. You type in a name for your form. This page usually drags a little bit, so you might have to wait just a second to get it to work, but once it does start working, you type in the name of your web form. It can be whatever you want it to be, homepage form, web form number 1, whatever it is. Then you leave this alone, keep it in line. That means it's in the page, it's not a pop-up. Thank you page, this is incorrect. You need to change this, and this is very important. You want to have this page be your actual sales letter, because what's happening is when the person comes to your site and opts in to your site, then they want the instant access. They want to be able to see what the message is right then. You don't want to have to email it to them later. So the thank you page is not really a thank you page at all. It's a redirect page, and you redirect them to your actual sales letter, which is wealthfunnelsecret.com/overview.asp. And for you, it's going to be the same. It's going to be your domain name /overview.asp. So that's very important. Leave the rest of this stuff blank, then hit next. This is your design center. If you want to add a headline, click here. Well, a headline is just simply like, please, I usually do all caps on these, please input your info here for access or something like that. And then you can format it to look good and attractive and that kind of thing. Then you hit save. It's going to be here. The next thing you want to do, you've got these different choices down here of things to add in addition to email. So you click on name because you want their name, and you also click on phone because you want their phone number if you can get it. Now, if phone is not already in yours, it might not be. Just click add new field, type it in, click add. Not a big deal. Then after you've got all the text boxes that you need here, you've got your heading set right, then come down here to your submit button and change that to, and because submit is really kind of a weak thing to put on there, so I just put something like give me access or give me access now, something that is a little bit more exciting for them to click. Then you hit save, and you've got your web form created here. Then what you do is you scroll over here to the category that says Get HTML. Click on that, and it'll bring up this. This is the JavaScript, and this is what I request from you when I send you out the initial email when I'm asking for the JavaScript code. This is what it's talking about. Click on that, hit Control-C, and then go to an email. Wherever you get the email, hit reply to me, and then do Control-V, which is paste, and paste that in the email and send that off to me. And then I'm able to use this to put your web form on your page. So that's pretty much it. That's how you set up your own web form with Aweber. I will do another video that shows you how to input the actual messages into the autoresponder so that you can have your messages sent out once people start subscribing to your page and opting in. So that's pretty much it, and I will talk to you soon.